morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Aquila and I'd love for you guys to join. I promise I have hair. Didn't look like that for a second. I just have it pulled back. Something easy to do, not wearing any makeup. I have on like a lazy fit today, but I'm actually gonna go to Ross because I heard they have good deals going on. One of my friends, she's also a military wife, she was showing me what she got, and she got everything for like $1.99 and $2. So I'm just gonna go and see what they have left over because I could use some new things. You know, we could always use some new things, even if we don't need it sometimes. But no, some of the stuff I probably will need. But I'm gonna go see the deals. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Not sure how much I'll vlog in there. We'll see. Just wait and see. I'll probably vlog a little bit, honestly. Hopefully they have candles on sale. But I doubt candles will be on sale because candles, you know, everybody loves candles and everybody will buy candles at full price. But alright guys, so I made it. I'm here. It's really sunny. I'm about to go in. So once I go inside, I'll show you guys. I just want to let you guys know I'm here. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so I didn't vlog much in there because I really just wanted to look around to see what deals they had, and they didn't really have very many. I could go to another Ross, but I already spent enough money as it is, so I think I'm just gonna go home, make myself an iced coffee, and go on with my day. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys once I get home.
You got your toy. You got your toy. Mommy got you the toy.
Alright guys, so I'm back home and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So, first I got the dogs a toy, which you guys seen in that little clip, and sorry about my floor. I literally just cleaned it yesterday, and it's already nasty. But I just got this little canister that said coffee. I already have one, but this one says coffee, and it just made more sense. It just made more sense, and it was only $3 anyways. And then I got this thing. Hopefully it fits in the drawer just to put all your spoons and spatulas, because this one is not yellow fit, but we have a cheap little one, and this one is really cute. Then, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited for these jeans. I'm really hoping they fit. They feel a little stretchy. They're called 90s fit, so you know they just kind of are like that at the bottom. I'm excited to wear them. I'm really short, so it's gonna be kind of hard to, you know, but I'll wear it with like some boots or something, or you know, even flats. And then I got this shirt. So the shirt is really cute. I'm excited to wear it. Looks real cute. And yeah, that's about everything I got. I would have went to another Ross, but I already spent too much money. I spent like $56 on all this. But at least I did find a dog toy that was really cheap. And but I think I'm just gonna vlog throughout my day. So I'm gonna make myself, once I get settled in, an iced coffee, and I'll show you guys that like I always do. But after that, I think I might polish my nails also. They got really nasty and they're just chipping. So I need to polish my nails. Oh, also, I got this boxed water. I've had one before, but I got it again. And it just says hello on the side. Really cute. But that's what I got. And now I'm gonna get on with my day and show you guys a little bit more. Love it, I love it, I love it. I think I'm going to show you guys me like organizing the silverware too, because since I got this new thing, I'm going to like wipe it out and then organize it.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running.
I put the bigger knives that I don't really use back here. And I'm just going to place this in here. So now it looks more organized. I still have this cheap little one. Now I'll save, I'll probably throw it away. But I have all this, and then I can organize stuff to go here and here. So I'm thinking this is the final outcome of the drawer. I actually like this wooden one better. I just feel like it's more sturdy. It's not gonna get like as nasty as this plastic one. Sorry for those dishes. But this is the final outcome.
Also, I got a new setup for this, so I got all that up there and I put my tarot cards right here, and I just think it fits out perfectly. This is that final outcome of it. I can't wait to get more crystals. I have so many in mind that I want, but this is what it looks like.